the building actually pretty much survived. Thank God I can get cheesecake. Look at that. Dad, look at this. And there our marina's gone too. That's not good. That is not good. Sorry, I didn't mean to take you away from our marina. That's probably more important. Look at this shit. Jesus Christ. Like it's a freaking rag doll. Just tossed it like nothing. Bait and tackle made it. Oh, maybe not. See this? They use the Katrina.
Do I have anybody from Lyndhurst?
Lyndhurst?
No.
From Lyndhurst.
Not from Lyndhurst.
Anybody from Lyndhurst?
No, I think we're all Washington.
This was Camp Osborne.
Video on that?
Yeah. There must have been 100 houses here. It looks like an atomic bomb went off. My God.